In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix latency and ping spikes and stuttering in Fall Guys. Now, first thing I recommend is going to Task Manager and make sure under Startup Apps that you don't have apps running in the background. So these are apps that will automatically start as soon as you turn on your computer. So let's say you're not using Canva, then just right click and then disable it. Any app or software you're not using, disable it. Once you have this done, actually you want to go back to Task Manager. So once you have this done, you want to make sure also under the processes that you don't have like many applications running at the same time. So you want to make sure you have just one software or one game at a time to minimize the CPU usage. So if you see anything like not important, just right click on it and then end task. So once you have this done, now you want to go to settings, and over here go to graphics, and then enable this option, and then enable this option. Down here, if you see the game Fall Guys, if you see it over here, then you will just you'll click on this bottom arrow, and then you'll select high performance NVIDIA GeForce or whatever, like the high performance option that shows for you. Just make sure it's not power saving, it's high performance. And if you don't see the game here, then you will have to just add desktop app and then browse the game folder. Just browse the game folder and then click add, and you will be able to add it here. So it will be something like fallguys.exe. So once you have this done, now you want to go here and go to game mode settings. Make sure game mode settings is turned on, and then you want to go to CMD, run as administrator, and then here there's a few commands you can write down. So ipconfig/release, and then press enter, and then ipconfig flush DNS, and then last command you want to write ipconfig/register DNS. So once you load these three commands inside command prompt, you can just close this down, and this should fix your issue.